Now let me ask you a question. What if you can push a button, watch a simple video, make $2 or what if you could leave a like or a comment on a video and another 5 cents earned? What if you can do this simple task on your smartphone and spend a couple of minutes a day to make real money online again and again? You can withdraw your money in PayPal, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Paytm and many more. It's a new website and no other people are talking about it. So I will show you how to sign up for a 100% free and global account in step by step. If you stick to me to the end, I will give you a special bonus that will make you an extra $50 a day without any work needed. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button and share it with others. Now let's get into the video. So make sure you pay close attention because this will be a brand new website that no other people are talking about. So I want you to take a look at this. As you can see, there are 5 different ways that you can make money on this website. Number 1, you can browse on different websites and watch different videos and different ads. Number 2, you can leave an engagement in social media like a video, share a video and you can get paid. For example, you can watch the video for several seconds and you can make money. Number 3, on the top of that, if you want to make some bonus money, you can also like the video, click the like button and you can leave a comment below or you can subscribe to the channel. So you can keep on making money using this exact websites. So you decimated number 2 by leaving engagement, liking the video and writing simple comments. Number 4, we can fill out simple surveys. They are super easy and suitable for new beginners. I will show you a couple of examples in just a moment. Number 5, you can create a new simple account, sign up for free and receive bonus money. Yet make sure you keep watching until the end so that I can show you the name of the website to you. And so don't forget, I have a special bonus tip to help you to make an additional $50 a day at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned. But anyway, it gets you a DEX on the homepage. Now you can do it on any device. You can see it here. You can do it on your phone, computer or tablet and begin to earn money online. Now leave a comment down below and let me know what type of device you are using. Do you use a smartphone or a tablet or a computer? And rest assured that this is working in all countries worldwide. You don't need any investment as you can see here. No investment, no money is needed. So once again, this is just how it works. Now step 1. You need to select a technique of earning because here are so many different methods to make money on this website. You can choose any one of these 5 techniques and step 2 can start executing the orders, working on the job you receive and making money. Step 3, they will send you the payment every time you reach a threshold. So now you can get paid every single day within 24 hours utilizing this new website. So now if you want a free account, all you need to do is click the registration button right on top and that will bring you to this page. You can see here and you can create a brand new account to start earning. All you have to do is put in your email address and password and click the next button and then you can log into your new account. So right on the dashboard, you can find your estimated earnings. Now, as long as this is a new account, you can see $0 because you still have not completed any job. But don't worry. Once you start making money, it will show up right here on your dashboard. The first thing that you need to do is make sure you go on to verify your email address. Now go on to an email inbox. Check your email because this company will send you a verification email. Once you click that to activate your account, you can start making money. However, I want you to click this button at the left and see here earn and I want you to click on this button and that will bring you to this web page and choose on different methods to start earning as you can see here. Method number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5 which I showed you previously. Now this is super interesting. Now I want to show you the first technique by browsing websites, videos and different ads. They will do this click on this green button to start earning. That will take you via this web page. You can see right here, you can begin to browsing different ads to start making money. Now when you click on this button right here, click on it and that will to pop up a brand new window as you can see right here. So once again, you can do this on your mobile phone. You can do this on your computer. Don't worry about that. Now you can see this right here. You have to browse this page until the timer expires. Now there is a couple of seconds. All you have to do is browse on this website, move around and don't stay on the same web page. Just drag it around to prove to them that you are not a robot but human. Now once the timer finishes, they will credit the money into your account. So as you can see right here, they will provide you the website's name and they will show you the earnings as you can see right here. So if you want to pause the ad, you can click on the pause button, or if you want to close this ad, you will click on the close button, and by doing that, you will stop the ad. However, that will waste time and you will certainly not receive any money as you can see right here. So make sure you don't make that mistake. Ensure you watch until the end of this video and stay on the website until the timers runs out. So let me show you one more example. When I click on the earn button, sometimes they will take you to a random YouTube video. So you will click the play button to stop watching the video and make sure you stay there until the timer expires. It's super important because you will not get paid any money if you start playing the video before the timer runs out. So now let's look at the second example. Leave engagement on social media. All you need to do, click the earn button right here and that will bring you to this web page. Again, you can leave different engagements on different social media platforms. For example, YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook, you can see below. There are so many different options. There are many tasks that you can do to make money online. You can watch YouTube videos, you can subscribe to different channels, you can like different videos. Now, for example, on Instagram, you can follow other people as well. And go live on Facebook. These are super easy. Anyone can do this without any experience by simply clicking a few buttons. Like a video, leave a comment and you can make money again and again. So let's say when I click on this button, YouTube views, they will take me to a random YouTube videos. And all you need to do is click on the play button to stop watching the video. You can click the gear settings to turn the quality of the video to a lower setting, 144p. So you can watch the video faster and save the data on your internet connection. So if you want to earn extra money, ensure you go on to like the video as you can see right here. Make sure you press the like button to like the video or click on the share button as you can see right here. Also, they will show a YouTube URL link. All you need to do, click the copy button and share it on other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, email or any other platform. And you can receive bonus money by leaving those engagements. So generally, that's the second method to make money by simply leaving an engagement. There are many different ways to earn money, such as writing comments, writing simple reviews and filling up different surveys. And also creating different simple accounts, subscribe to others' newsletters and you will get paid. So let's say when I click on this button to fill out different surveys and it will take me to this page. You can see here, for example, you can do simple surveys on Google Forms, Pollfish or SurveyMonkey and you will get paid about $1 to $2 for every single survey that you fill. And that's extremely easy, simple that you can do it in your free time. So basically the name of their website is jareklami.com or otherwise you can download this app on your smartphone. Now for example, if you go on to the Google Play Store, make sure you find a logo. It looks like that. And also the name Jareklami and make money online for free. And you can download this app on your smartphone and start earning money. Now I will show you a bonus website to make money by watching videos. Yet before that, let me show you this bonus method on Jareklami. You can see right here, you can invite or refer a friend to this website and get an extra 12% of a commission. Now you need to copy your unique referral web links right here and send and share it to other people. And that's how you get earned a bonus stream of income. Now the another bonus tip is that we can go on to Coinbase, which is coinbase.com. So once I reach out to the home page, I want to click this button on top, which is Earn Crypto. Click on that and generally that's going to take you to this web page where you can earn cryptocurrency. Earn free crypto while learning about crypto. Now basically they are going to show you the tutorial, different free courses and different videos. And also every single time you watch the video or courses, they will going to pay you extra money here. $43 US, $6 US for every single video that you watch. That's amazing. But anyways, I want to show one quick example utilizing Band protocol. you can click this button to start the course, and that's going to take you through this page once again. When you go down below, as you can see here, these are all different beginner lessons for different courses that show you about cryptocurrency. But they also pay your money by simply watching the video, as you can see right here. A 1 minute video, $1 and another 1 minute video at $1. You can just keep on repeating this and watching videos and courses on this website. You can also earn an additional of $40 using this approach by simply inviting your friends. So once you complete on this category, you can just return here and go on or watch different courses and repeat this and keep on making money again. And that's it. If you get value out of this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell button, hit the like button and share it with people. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.